Okay, now firstly we are going to open the Qnap finder, which is the management control software for the NAS that I use, and log in, type username and password, and log in. Okay, this is the layout, the home layout, the operating system of the NAS. And what we're going to do now is going to the network file system and click here, network NFS, and make sure enable this, enable file service non-personal network. The server description is optional, you can set later on. For now there's nothing here because I haven't set anything yet for the NFS. So I'm going to do now, I'm going to create a share folder, a test, okay. But I cannot do that right now because I already installed another 1TB drive inside, but that hard drive have not formatted yet. So I go to the storage and click this. This is the Samsung SSD. This is the previous setup of NAS using ice. This is one, GAMDIAS NAS. This is from the SSD. So to click this one, which is the 1TB hard disk. See, it is detected here, but haven't configured yet. So that's why it color this. The Samsung is blue which means there's a data existing drive. This one is color purple, it's nothing. Click here, click the volume. The rate type is 0 because I'm not training, I'm using rate 0 rate file. Then the file type refer to the, we usually will find this during formatting a drive or reformat a drive, open drive. After you can see this. So rename the volume alias to what you want, and let's select the file system option, 4KB, 8KB, 4KB. The most common right now is 4KB. Assuming that you have a lot of smaller files, like 1KB file, that's 1000 of, maybe 1000 units again. So just to be safe, use 4KB. You can set those 8KB. But since this is a test run, so I will use the 4KB. Then click next. Make sure to check everything. Volume 1, static volume. And then click finish. Now have to wait since the last operating system is initializing the disk and connecting the disk. But since this is a recorded video, so I just skip the part to the point where I need to finish it. Right now it's 64%, 65%. This is the SSD that has been configured using ICSI that sharing protocol, ICSI protocol. I'm going to now using a volume to use for NFS sharing protocol. This is the current usage of the NAS, with your RAM 51% and the CPU 40%. Which is good. New C unit, Seagate, Skyhawk, and Barracuda. There's also Barracuda because the seller also have Barracuda, both Barracuda and Skyhawk available. I got it very cheap, it's 135. But make sure to put the model that you want in the remark during the checkout. I'm not sure about Shopee or Malaysia, but this is where I bought it in my country. Put remarks during the checkout. Can ask for extra or mix, up to you. This is a great shop. I used to buy from them a lot. I'm still buying, trading with them about 4 to 6 years already, and I haven't had any single damage or complaint or anything. Okay, now we're going back to the volume. Almost there now, committing 97%. Opening up my computer and pointing to the current configured mask. This is flash that are already mounted at using SII SkyG. The attaching protocol mounted as local drive. This is only 381 GB because the rest of it is used for the NAS operating system and for the snapshot and something for the safety features. This file from 480 GB and become 321 GB. I use it for mainly for bypassing the DAC NTG. We usually will find this in Fortnite and game from Epic Game. This is because this program is good, but this is quite annoying for sharing purpose, since I want to share the drive so that other user can use the latest updated version of the game without having to update the game and install the game locally and update each by one. That will be taking too long time since I have slow internet. Okay, and now we go to the Battle Eye. Battle Eye is also another anti-cheat program. Yep. Also work the same like EAC and also do not like Qnap network drive. But from what I have done right now, the NAS GAMDIAS just now it is working. I can bypass the anti-cheat and launch the game like normal. The beast is still under formatting and creating the folder. Later on, after finish, I can edit or modify this. Okay, it's not ready, so yeah, I have a renewal. I just realized that volume alias means the name of the volume. So I'm trying to bring it to something that easier for me to identify it between other drive and between other volume, so that I do not confuse and misconfigure it later on. Now that I have done that, I open it here and go to network. create a test folder inside the recently format drive, the NFS drive just now that I created. This will be port setting. Okay, this is permission. Get a shared folder. Put the permission whether you want to read only, read write, deny. Some game or program can run disable only, some cannot run. So the safest way is make sure those are available. Yes, I accept that. I choose read and write because I want another computer within the same network to be able to use the NFS drive also. So having to ask him permission each time. Okay, now that the test folder has been finished, as you can see here, okay, this is the GAMDIAS. This is on the admin PC right now, which is beside me. And if I go back and this is the network, you see, the MGP now. Test folder, you can see the test folder. Second is input. I'm transferring the Genshin Impact from the admin PC into the Genshin Impact. And it works. The transferring is about 80 to 110 Mbps if your connection is good. After all, the NAS stated that they can perform peak up to 111 Mbps. Not constant, but the highest peak you can get. Okay, this is simple NFS test. Okay. Let me do something on my text document. This is my mom. I'm not doing anything right now. I'm doing something on my admin server. Let me type it. Rename. I admin. I'm moving my mouse right now. Hi, I'm admin. I'm sure you guys can see. Blanche. Hi, I'm admin. Change something. Oh, petition chat folder. And later I will test Genshin. Run the exe. Yes. Where are you? Okay. Still not finished. 45 for another 15 minutes. I start the recording. Yes, I start the recording now. For now, because I have recorded for so long, about 2 hours. Okay, this is the Genshin that run directly from the mouse. And it is quite slow because my laptop is connected to the router. Using only N150 Mbps. BGM, pakai BGM, pakai 150 Mbps. already setting powers and I'm getting sleepy. It's already midnight. Okay, the next day.
Good morning.
Good
morning.
This is the next day. I test NFS last night and it doesn't work like I wanted to, so I had to come to another alternative solution, which is using both ICSI and NFS together. So I am going to reconfigure the NAS, the 1TB hard disk, reconfigure it back so that I can use for both options. So I'm creating the ICSI configuration. I'm going to the ICSI, create the loom, pick the name and set it in size. Make sure everything's alright, and then next and click finish, and then create another loop. This place only to use for emulator right now, Epic Store and Steam game, which cannot run normally using NFS or SME data sharing protocol. So they are using the RCSI connection. I am moving back and forth from left to right because I'm entering number using the numpad, which is also the hotkey for my YouTube Studio for my position. That's why I am suddenly teleporting between left and right. That another thing. Okay, create another posting. This is the target. This is the old ICSI using the SSD. This is the new ICSI. This is also the old one. And now that I have 3 block based storage, now I'm going to create a new target so that I can pull the storage into one target and make it enable the storage. And now I'm going to create the NFS storage. But how am I going to do it? I'm quite confused. Storage full too. This is for 1TB. The extra space that's still not being partitioned or used. Then start from here, you can see that there's static volume, pin volume and sync volume. Static volume here, I have done it before. Last night, I'm using the static volume for the whole 900 GB. But so I'm creating static volume and change it next, and then click next. But there's no disk detected. And then I realized that there cannot be any mix of volume type. So I can be same volume type. I'm going to here and click going back to storage, create a new volume, okay, on storage pool 2, and then click next, name the storage, and name the storage list. Also, this can also be set that I'm naming the partition. Yeah. In terms of those who do not understand this whole network kind of, this is the same like naming your C drive or D drive. A partition. Naming the partition. Set the file system to 4K. See, I'm going to install game and program that use a lot of small file and set the capacity just right below the warning threshold. I don't disturb the performance of the hard disk. And I have found the speed port. Okay, double check everything. Okay, and then click next. Double check everything again. Okay, connectivity, electricity. This is the whole drive. This is the drive property. Orientation of the whole drive property. Okay, volume is being created. Okay, click close. It's like it. Marking the drive right now. So I am exploring the other NAS option. I haven't played with the NAS. I have got Qnap for about a week now. So I'm just exploring other options. What I can do just to learn more about the NAS. Besides reading the documentation itself. Okay, this is the dashboard. The application is the dashboard of the NAS. So the resources and the connection, the status. Which is good. Because from there I can learn more and monitor in case something went wrong with the NAS. Okay, now that the class are created, I have created a new target here. Okay, I have assigned a new target to the ICSI, and then for the manage storage spaces, by clicking Windows button, type the manage storage spaces. From there you can see the create a new pool and storage spaces here. This is the 3 ICSI drive. Then you save 46, 100 and 450 GB. I'm going to format the drive so that the Windows can make use of the drive. For now, the Windows detected the drive, but still haven't configured yet. Okay, and use simple, because I'm not using any RAID, just using simple for students. Enter the name that you want, the drive later, and the file system, and then click finish. And then I create pool. Oh, and then I realized that the storage become 254. This is because it combined the 3 of them. But I do not want them. I want each. I already configured it that each ICSE drive for each drive later. I do not want to combine 3 of them. I need the pullback and assign them one by one. Yes, we need the pool. and full of storage. Right click OneDrive, tick OneDrive, choose OneDrive, right tool. Put the name, choose the drive later and name for drive. This is what will appear on the computer later on. The drive later. Select the sensing type to simple. Size maximum size exactly as the size of it. And then click spacer. Create storage space. Okay, just now it appeared another windows. Okay, now repeat the same process for the others two. The others two ICSI drive. The same process. Ini drive later, file system, receiving file. Size. Usually the size is automatically set depending on your receiving. Okay, done. Okay, pick another one, the last one. Okay, no? Okay, so I'm going back to my computer. Then I'm going back to the NAS. Everything is good properly, and then yes, the NFS also run more properly, and then I will run the game on the next video. Bye.